Next here is UGRO. This is ticker UGRO, Urban Grow. This thing was just over $2, closed at 218 on Friday, traded all the way up, above 4 earlier today, 430s. Looks like it before it backed off here. IGP to expand T20 cricket footprint across Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Zimbabwe following a merger with Flash Sports Media. So an all-stock merger with Flash Sports, bringing its portfolio of T20 league commercial rights to UGRO. They also, back on Monday, March 9th, they regained NASDAQ compliance. This is operated an integrated professional services and design build firm offering architectural, engineering, and construction management solutions to the CEA. Okay, so stock is popping here by 58%. This is easily one of the best movers here so far in the pre-market, even given the big headline that we have. Multiple impulse moves higher. Looks like we stopped at just about, like I was saying, 430s there. Quick peek at the short interest on this, 5.6% of the float shorted with 1 day to cover. On average, stock trades only 100,000 shares, but today we've done 35.6 million. This thing is a micro float, under a million shares, 675,000 in the float there. So unsurprised to see this huge move. 13, what do you got for us on UGRO?
So this one was losing compliance, NASDAQ compliance. So they had to do a reverse split. That already happened. That was earlier this year. This was on the 5th of February. That's why you have the float as low as it is. And then the company did end up regaining compliance. Whatever the company says it is, it's now going to be a big player in the cricket league. I don't know a whole lot about cricket, so that's about where
me
my
either.
comment
Actually,
on that's
I'm a
end.
sports fanatic, but I don't know shit about cricket, dude. I'm serious.
And then it still looks like they're going to need to raise some more cash. They don't have a whole lot of them on their balance sheet, and I suspect that they're going to need to raise because they don't have enough revenue. And this merger was I believe this is all stock. I might be wrong about that, but I thought this was an all stock. Yeah, it is an all stock merger.
I believe I read that already.
Yeah, you did. So I think the real risk here with this one is that there could be a capital raise coming as early as today. In the meantime, if we want to try and trade this, well, it's lost its VWAP. It looks like it could be weakening into the open here. I would think that if this continues down, it can't recapture its VWAP from right here, that support's going to be at about 325. You also have the 65 and 200 EMAs that could provide, support beneath that at 302 and 267. But let's see what happens at that 325 area first. For now, I don't know that this is going to be a great one, but if we do get that support in the areas I just mentioned as we entered the open, maybe we do get something right out of the gate.